Cool Kick Jitsu Channel out in Watts. 5 minutes after they opened. Alright, let's see if I missed out on anything within the first 5 minutes. Gotta go to the back wall. See if Fool's already got stuff stacked already. Being late, man. Being late definitely does not help here. What's this? Try to look for some interesting pieces for you guys. What the hell is this? Bo Jackson trainers. I've never seen these before. Alright. Never seen this colorway, never seen this material. $140 for those. I'm gonna look at this on the ground. Got some La Familia dunks right here. $125, that is a size 9. Jordan 2 Chicago, size 9.5, 2 bills. Still got one of these right here. You know what? In my eyes, that's fair game. If you guys want to grab those, because it's not like someone's claimed them and they're just sitting on the floor. These are interesting. These are interesting. They're not. It is a premium. $125 for these. I don't really know anybody that's a size 9 that would want these. Material still not SB quality, but definitely better than the regular dunks. Got a lot of flavor on them. I'm throwing these back. More dunks right here. Premiums go for $125. Size 8.5. More dunk lows. Black with the clay on it. Size 10, $115. Hoping for some refurb deals. Not really finding much. Alright, gonna go from the smallest size to the bigger sizes. ACGs right here going for $75. Well, these are usually a premium. Blazer University blue colorway go for $100. Sizing is definitely everywhere over here. The Jaws size 8 go for $110. Been seeing these on sale at the retail shops. $1.90 for these. Pittsburgh Steelers size 4.5 men's. What the hell? $65 for those. Definitely think this is the dopest find of the morning. These are size 9. These are down to under $100. Got the gum bottom on it and everything. Okay. Sabrinas right here. These are slightly under $100. These are size 9.5 women's though, so size 8 man. Jordan 1 low golf on the bottom right here. This is a 10.5. They're still asking for the retail of $140. You should get the 30 off. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature, $75, 9.5. Romero 16, $75 for those. That ain't bad. That's a size 9, gently worn. All black blazers right here with gum, $115. Jordan 1 low OG with one of the softest leather colorways, just way crazy. $110 for those. ACGs right here. I'm not saying the sizes because I'm showing it to you guys. But yeah, $140 for those. Invincible Run 4s. Those of you guys that do watch all my videos, y'all saw that I stole one of these. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about what happened. It was in the wrong box, but I still grabbed it. Jordan 1 low craft right here. These have some decent material on it. Kind of like an inside out type of thing. $110 for those. Remember, you do get that extra 30, so well under $100. These have been $81 at most spots, and then refurb, they're going for even more, $100 like new. Got a bunch of these Jumpman 2021s. These have been in the aisles forever, so they probably just threw them in the back wall. $95 for these, size 11s. Still got 37s. See what colorway, the black and white right there. These are going for $150. They still got these. These have been here forever. $110 for the Air Force Ones right here. Nobody feeling these, huh? Nobody feeling these. I think these look dope. I just don't think they fit with my style, but I think these look dope as hell, dude. I'm not gonna lie. And Jordan 2s are very comfy. And LeBron 2s very comfy. Man, I like these. I like these. $250 for those. Size 12 Adjust Forces, Travis 4 colorway. Regular price, goddamn. I still think these are dope as hell. 160 for these. Size 11. Looks like these made it out the aisles. Finally, $100 still. So I think they were the same price in the aisles with the full box. Got all kinds of size 11 all the way to 14. The Airspan 2s. Looks like these made it out the aisles as well. Got some mismatch blazers. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Way mismatched, wow. Don't think I've seen these, okay. Okay. Oh, for what, 115? Got Pegasus Premiums. 83 Premiums go for $53. These are slightly imperfect, size 15. Size 14 right here. Got Air Forces, $110. Ice Shots going for $40. Black and white, can't go wrong with that colorway. I can't go wrong with that price, dang, $40. The Dunk Highs right here, $140. I was like, these are small as hell. I remember seeing these here earlier. These are $125 for those. Metcon 7s going for $70, slightly imperfect. And they got a bunch of size 17s right here, $145 for those. Oh wait, size 13, this one's priced to go. It's at $42 after a discount. Roaming through the kids section as well as the women's. See if I see anything crazy interesting. Jordan 1 High OG Royal Reimagines. I don't know why I'm talking so slow. $140 for those. Rookie Green 2s right here, $140. Those are both size 7s. 6.5 Chicago 2s going for $140. Buzz Lightyear colorway. Some Forces, $100. In the women's section, nothing really stood out. So we'll go check. We'll check later. I'm gonna go check clothes real quick. I did forget to respond to one of the commenters, asked if this was 30% off. No, there are no additional sales on these. I think Bossco Mitchell showed that they had these on sale at, where was it? At the Citadel for 30% off in the clearance rack. They had a few, not a ton of sizes, but yeah, these are $85 here. These are normally like $120, I think. But UNC Jordan, can't really go wrong with that. Supposedly limited. That doesn't mean anything nowadays, but still, supposedly. All right, are those all serial numbers? Yeah, they're all. Or are they all just? Yeah, they're all serial. Damn, they actually have serial numbers on them. That's kind of crazy, actually. Dang, and they didn't sell out. That's crazy. Been seeing a ton of these hoodies. This is a thick hoodie though. This is nice, similar to my SB one. $55. This is a double XL. Down from 90 though. Jordan Howard shirt right here. You can see. Where's the tag, doggies? 25 for that one. That is an XL. Florida A&M shirt right here going for 40. Tech fleece going for the premium, 145. Do get 30% off the clearance apparel right here, but still super premium. Do got a small Club America shirt right here, $30 for that one. Medium dry fit pullover, kind of thin, but nice material. 75 down to 55. Women's Watson jersey, $60. He's not even with them anymore. Yo, they do got a medium one of these. 55 down to, let's see, 55 down, $30. That's $38. I'm trying to cut down on spending, but I keep finding all these goddamn deals and I keep picking them all up, just giving them to people. I'm about to think about that. More tech fleece right here, 145. These are larges. Is this a raincoat or a windbreaker? $100. ACG gear, $75. These are XLs. ACG always going for that premium price. UCLA gear, $85 for the Jordan brand pullover. That's an XL. Extra orange SB shirt, $35. Okay. Got fleece shorts right here, $15. An extra 30 off, so is that like $11, $12? Not bad. These are all mediums though. Got more fleece ones. Oh, I thought these were different, but yeah, same ones. Got them in large too. Jordan fleece shorts. Look at that premium price tag. $68. Extra pink shorts going for $15 as well. XLs. What's up with these colors, bro? Is that like a peach color? Go for 20. Yellow. Like, god dang, all these bright, hella bright colors. That's crazy. I just see running shorts and stuff. Y'all trying to see running shorts? I don't know. See what's going on in the aisles right here. We do got the next gens right here, which is weird because these have been on sale at the retail shops. This is what I'm talking about. Nice little sale. Even got the regular 20s right here. Both of them on sale for $100. Not bad. Westbrook Take Ones. Second gen of those bad boys. Take 1 2s again. Oh, we gotta see what's going on with these. $50? $50? These are all black ones? Well, that has to be another one, right? Has to be another one. No. Oh, are they slightly different? I don't know, but it says $50 right here. Got the 4th gen now right here. Air 200s. Zoom 92s. Another one right here. And they've had a bunch of those. All the other Team J's, they've had a million of those lately. Yeah, just rows and rows at most of the spots. 6 rings right here. Then do got some Jordan 1 golfs right here with that nice leather. 2 lows. These have been here for a while. Got some 2s right here. I like the color blocking on that. AJKOs with that satin material. Jordan 1 low SE. Jordan 7 white infrareds. Then do got some chambrays right here. UNC. Got some SB alley-oops. Another one right here. Price way too high. And we've talked about it. It all depends on how long these items have been at this particular location. That's what determines how low the price gets. Or when the price goes down. These bad boys go for $100. Queen in the background. I've been enjoying a lot of Queen lately. Blazer mids right here. I never liked Queen when I was a kid. Lately I've been like, damn, they're pretty good. P6000, pretty much as cheap as Ross Burlington. Got both Jackson trainers right here in a color I've never seen. This one with a hint of purple on it. Here are more of Tempos. Infinity One Flyknit 3s. Pegasus Trail 3s right here. Another one of those bad boys. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. And then a plethora of Pegasi 38s right here. This one you get that 30 off. Been seeing a ton of Pegasuses lately. These are the 38 shields. Another one right here. The shields are the one that are more weather resistant. That's why there's that little water droplet right there. Did I miss one of these racks right here? Another clearance rack? Good. Is that a Rose Bowl? Is that a Rose Bowl shirt right here? $15 for those. Rose Bowl Jordan shirt. All kinds of sizes on those. Got, what kind of pattern is that? $28 for the crazy Jordan pattern right there. And then got this super fluffy hoodie, $60 for these, normally $85. Got a couple or a few different smalls. Then they've been trying to get rid of these flight sweats right here, $55 for those. Trying to see if there's any other apparel to show you guys. I don't think so. I got yoga apparel, the Fulsey yoga out here in Watts. And then do got Chargers merch right here. Got t-shirts, nothing too crazy. Back to the women's clearance section right here. Do got Jordan 1 low elevates. Them Bookers, man. Them Booker ones kind of look like these. He made a custom shattered backboard colorway and it kind of looked like these too. $135 for these. Air Max 2017s go for way too much. $165. Good lord. Oh, these are dope. This is a 7.5 women's. And yeah, these are dope, dude. These are dope. Kind of wonder if I should have grabbed these or not. But yeah, these have been tried on. 2 bills. At least you get the 30 off. So that $140. And more Jordan in the women's section. Got these Jordan 6s. These got the Gore-Tex and everything. But people just don't feel the Jordan 6s like the other ones. But yeah, these are going for retail size 8 women's. All white Air Max 97s, 175. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is going for 70 here. Size 11 Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is going for $75. Size 10 and a half, so size 9 men's. Not too many dudes are getting this, so $90 right there. Size 13 and a half, size 12 men's. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's huge sizes, $90 for those. I'm surprised those haven't been priced down big time. I'm trying to think if I've ever seen a size 13 and a half in the women's. Infinity Rough Liners go for 80. Nike Calm Slides right here. Women's size 10, 8.5 men's, $50. Jordan 2 trays, size 11 women's, $120 for those. Women's aisles do got some blazer platforms. Woodside Chukka boots right here. Got a row of Jordan retros right here. Jordan 1 Elevate shattered backboard colorway. And got some crazy Jordan 12s. Up to size 9 women on these. And then up to size 10 women on these. Wait, we need to look at these a little closer because the material on these are so amazing. I do have pairs of both of these. These are the Alma Maniers. Cannot believe they have them here. I think after the shipping, I paid like a crazy amount. I think I paid like $275 after shipping. They charge like $25 for shipping or something like that, which was kind of nuts, but did get both of these. I have all the Alma Maniers except the 5s. I kind of regret not getting the 5s. I couldn't put anything on my credit cards. Man, I'm trying to make sure I pay everything cash, and I didn't have the money that month. I didn't, dude. Got a trio of the Infinity Rough Flyknits. These are the 3rd gen right here. Black and white, can't go wrong with that. This is Mint Foam, pure platinum white. Then I got some Pegasus Trail 3 Gore-Tex, free Metcon 4s right here. And then plethora of the generics, the Run Swift 2s, Flex Experience Run, downshifters, stuff that people aren't really looking for. So yeah, that's the women's section right there. Wait, almost missed out on some of this stuff. Air Forces, got 1 mids, got snakeskin on this one, got that 30% off as well. Got platforms, got multiple platforms, and then what, 5 or 6 different blazers, most regular price. Nike outlet watts, or Nike Community Center watts. That's about it, dude. That's about it. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Make sure you help a boy out, press that like button if you're new, subscribe, and we out, man. We out. I was just leaving. This is freaking hilarious. Just about to leave, LAPD rolled up, and then this lady walked out with a bunch of stuff. She just threw it on the ground, and then she was like, she's just trying to make excuses. She walked back in. I think she's gonna go put all the stuff on the rack or whatever. That's freaking hilarious. That's the first time I've ever seen one of these people with a bunch of stuff actually being caught by the police. That's freaking hilarious.